Aside finding how you can add yeast to your Nigerian commercial buns, you're going to be finding out the amount of buns we got from 1 kg of flour. You're going to be finding out 3 ways to scoop your commercial Nigerian buns into the oil. If you're a beginner, welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to Debbie's Kitchen. Do like and share. Hit on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified on the exceptional recipes coming from Debbie's Kitchen weekly. Adding all your ingredients, we are using 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of yeast. I'm going to add in 100 grams of butter alongside other ingredients that will be in the description box. We are using 2 cups of water and 1 medium to large size eggs. You can go for 2 eggs, but it's actually optional. After adding 2 cups of water into my butter, I added a little bit more water until I got to this consistency. This is the consistency we are going for. You may need more water, you may need less. I advise that you add your water in bit until you can get your butter together. Method 1, the eye gauge method. Scoop your butter and press through your thumb. Method 2, scoop your butter and press through your pan but underneath your palm. Method 3, scoop and drop, which is my favorite method. It's so easy to make as a beginner. Just make sure your fingers are wet. Scoop your butter, drop into the oil, and repeat the process until you have exhausted your dough. So if you're a beginner, you can try method 1, method 2, or preferably method 3. We're going to be making a crunchy Nigerian buns and a soft Nigerian buns adding it. Yes, it is possible. For the crunchy Nigerian buns, just scoop your butter into the oil. Reduce the heat of your oil. Once you form your buns will form crack. Once you crack it to your taste, fry consistently until you have this golden brown look while stirring consistently. Take it out of the oil. Set in a sieve or salver to strain excess oil. For method 2, is different. Make sure you do not reduce the temperature of the oil. Just maintain a medium heat while frying and scoop your butter into the oil. Stir continuously. And once you get this consistently golden brown look, take your soft buns out of the oil, set in a sieve or salver to strain excess oil. The unique thing I love about this recipe is that a little butter goes a long way. So you can reduce the size of your butter and your buns will still come out looking big. Why? Because of the yeast and the baking powder effect. So as a business owner or a Nigerian snacks business seller or whoever you are, adding yeast to your Nigerian buns is one way you can step up your Nigerian buns and appeal your customers with something different. Now you can see the buns. The crunchy Nigerian buns is still there, and the soft one came out being so soft and fluffy. The softness was in another level. The crunchy one was not hard and rocky, especially if you're somebody that you don't like something so hard. It added a touch of softness to the buns. At the end of the day, you definitely cannot resist this buns recipe. Thank you so much for stopping by Debbie's Kitchen. And don't forget to like, no, like, Joe, subscribe, and see you in my next one. God bless you.